most disgusting false rumor anyone has ever spread about you. My first week of sophomore year, I started noticing people whispering when I walked by, like full-on stopping conversations and staring. Even teachers gave me weird looks. Finally, my friend Nicole pulled me aside after gym class. "You need to check Instagram right now." She showed me a burner account with a post claiming I'd been sleeping with our history teacher, Mr. Parker, for better grades. My stomach dropped. Mr. Parker